He's right here.
Let him run with it. Let him run with it.
Right here. All right, I'm on
Oh,
that.
yeah.
No, Julian, you need to be tall enough, bro.
Come on.
Or
Here.
somebody out of it, yeah.
It's already good.
Got him.
Hey.
That's fire. Hey, one. And you got it on video? Hell yeah, dude.
Hold up. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh.
Yo, what button do I hit to weigh him? 2.5.
Hey.
Yeah, I said 2.5. Yeah. Aw, shit. There we go. Here, yeah, we gotta weigh mine now.
I'm gonna throw him in the fucking bag,
Keep
too.
recording. We gotta get
This guy's fucking fat. Hold on. You gotta reset it, too.
How do I reset it?
Press. Put him on there. Yep, and then reset it. Press the button first. Nah, you gotta reset it. He's bigger than that.
Definitely bigger than that.
Reset.
Yo, he's bigger than mine, I think.
Still saying 13 ounces.
No, there's no way. No, there's no way, because mine just weighed 2 something, 2 and a
Yeah,
half.
so reset it.
Oh, yeah, we gotta there's no way.
There's no way that's not over a pound.
Here, you wait. Oh, he's at you gotta fucking put him down on the ground and then reset it before he flops around like crazy.
Hold him so.
Alright, now pick him up.
2 pounds.
15
2
ounces.
pounds.
That's
That's 2 pounds.
Hell
I
yeah.
mean, 1 ounce off of 2 pounds.
So you letting yours go or are we keeping him?
Nah, that's a bass. Throw him. This thing's gotta be.
Pass for me, bro.
Oh, dude.
What the fuck? All right. Okay.
No. Hold this net down real quick.
Yeah.
Hold on. I gotta pick this fucker up.
Oh. Yo, that was so hard to net.
He's got teeth. He's got teeth.
Yeah, I see.
Hold this
I got
knife
my
real
camera.
quick so I can get this hook out.
What is it? What kind of fish?
It's a bowfin.
Fuck
Damn.
yes, dude. Good
I might need those
shit.
pliers. I don't wanna
Yeah,
fucking
we need
get
to
those
walk
teeth.
them back then.
Yep.
Let me
Alright,
check this
walking them
fish
back?
out, though. Let me check this fish out. I need to see
Hold
this,
on,
dude.
I want to pick this fucker
I
up.
saw how big he was on.
Don't lose him.
We're not losing.
All right,
Bro.
yeah.
We got this, dude. We got that.
He's so fucking big,
Dude,
bro.
that's fucking 10
Joy.
Christ. On 6 pound test, dude, right?
10 pound, 10 pound.
10 pound, okay. Hey. Alright, let's go.
That 20 pound line I got might be worth bringing out here.
Holy fuck.